Hey, welcome back, everybody. John Phelps again here with TechMetric. Today, we wanted to talk a little bit more about how to more effectively utilize the BG integration inside of TechMetric. Now, we've all seen it, right? You've got a repair that needs a BG fluid exchange to go along with it to fully repair the job. Now, you can call and give a package price, but a lot of times when you send them an estimate, those come in two separate forms. You've got the brake pad and rotor replacement and the BG fluid exchange. Well, the customer approves the pad replacement, but not the fluid exchange. You've got the water pump replacement, you've got the BG coolant system service, and lo and behold, the customer, they approve the water pump, but not the fluid exchange for the coolant as well. So we've got a resolution to that. In TechMetric, we've got it to where you've got your estimate already built. You can go ahead and add a BG can job inside of that other estimate so that way it comes across to the customer as one job. So when they approve one, they approve the other. So now here we are back in TechMetric. I've already had an RO, John Bon Jovi's Chevy Silverado here, already done the inspection, already really built the estimate for that matter. If we scroll down here, you're going to see remove and replace brake pads, remove and replace the water pump. I've got the pads and rotors. I've got the labor. I've got the water pump already here. But instead of actually adding other job boxes for those BG fluid services, I can go ahead and click this edit pencil. I can add a can job and I can type BG. There's my brake fluid service and I can add that job and now I can hit save. Same thing down here under water pump, add can job, go search the BG cooling system service, add that job in there and now hit save. Now, not only do I have the labor for the pads, the rotor, I also have the labor to replace the brake fluid along with the parts that go along with it. The same thing, replacing the water pump, the full BG description on what happens when we do a coolant exchange. So then when I send this to a customer, they see it all as one price. They approve it all as one price. And then there we go. That customer has now authorized not only the brake pads, the water pump, they've also authorized the brake fluid and the coolant service. The same can happen on a cabin filter with an HVAC system, a power steering pump with a power steering system service. It can happen with a control arm and an alignment. Utilize these BG can jobs built into other estimates so that customer has their vehicle fully repaired. Hopefully this helps you next time you're in a shop. Get BG fluids in front of more customers that have these everyday repairs and watch your sales go up. Y'all have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.